Welcome to Storyhouse. Today we are going to learn the sounds of alphabets.
What is the sound of A?
Apple.
What is the sound of B?
Ball.
What is the sound of C?
Cat.
What is the sound of D?
Dog.
What is the sound of E?
Elephant.
What is the sound of F?
Fish.
What is the sound of G?
Grapes.
What is the sound of H?
House.
What is the sound of I?
Igloo.
What is the sound of J?
Jacket.
What is the sound of K?
Kite.
What is the sound of L?
Lion.
What is the sound of M?
Monkey.
What is the sound of N?
Nose.
What is the sound of O?
Orange.
What is the sound of P?
Pencil.
What is the sound of Q?
Queen.
What is the sound of R?
Rabbit.
What is the sound of S?
Sun.
What is the sound of T?
Tree.
What is the sound of U?
Umbrella.
What is the sound of V?
Violin.
What is the sound of W?
Wheel.
What is the sound of X?
Box.
Okay. What is the sound of Y?
Yacht.
What is the sound of Z?
Zebra. Hope you have learned the sounds of the alphabets. If you like the video, please subscribe to my mommy's channel. Bye.
What is the sound of D? What is the sound of H?
H.